So, the financial year 26 has already ended. If we say that what is the duty of preparation of financial statements, so in case of the companies which is governed under the Companies Act 2013, it could be a listed company or the unlisted company. Then the last date of preparation of financial statement, it would be the last date of AGM. And what is the last date of AGM? It is the 6 months from the end of financial year. For example, in case of the financial year 27, sorry 26, the last date of preparation of financial statements, it would be on or before 6 months from the end of financial year, that would be 30th September. Means कोई भी कंपनी जो कि रजिस्टर्ड है कंपनीज एक्ट 2013 में, ये लिस्टेड भी हो सकती है, अनलिस्टेड भी हो सकती है। तो फिर इस सिचुएशन में उस कंपनी को 30 सितंबर या उसके पहले अपने फाइनेंशियल स्टेटमेंट्स को प्रिपेयर करना होगा, ऑडिट करना होगा, फिर उसे पब्लिश करना होगा। And if we say what is the AGM, so AGM is basically annual general meeting. It is the meeting of owners and the shareholders. तो यहाँ पर बेसिकली फाइनेंशियल स्टेटमेंट्स को प्रेजेंट किया जाता है, डिविडेंड डिक्लेयर किया जाता है, ऑडिटर्स या फिर डायरेक्टर्स को अपॉइंट या फिर रीअपॉइंट किया जाता है, एंड अदर डिस्कशंस होते हैं। ये जो डेट है कि 30 सितंबर तक हो जानी चाहिए फाइनेंशियल स्टेटमेंट्स रेडी, इसे एक्सटेंड भी किया जा सकता है सब्जेक्ट टू सम कंडीशंस एंड द एक्सेप्शन सर्कमस्टांसेस। Now, if we talk about the proprietorship firm and the partnership firm, then for the purpose of preparation of financial statements, it will be covered under the Income Tax Act 1961. If the partnership firm pays tax under Section 44 AD, 44 ADA, or Section 44 AE, then the partnership firm is required to get financial statement audited. In such a case, the last date of preparation of financial statement would be on or before 31st October. However, if the partnership firm does not pay tax under this section, then the last date of preparation of financial statement would be 31st July. So basically, the Section 44 AD, Section 44 ADA, or Section 44 AD provide tax benefits to the partnership firm, and for the purpose of availing these tax benefits, the partnership firm is required to get financial statements audited.